first messenger of truth. The Buddha, together with 60 monks, set up the first order of Sangha. These monks were the Buddha's messengers who helped spread the Dharma. Before sending the monks in all directions to teach the Dharma, the Buddha instructed them to go forward for the good of the many, for the happiness of the many, out of compassion for the world and for the welfare of gods and man. Not two of them traveled together along the same road. He said that he himself was going to Uruvela. The Buddha was the first religious teacher to send out his disciples to spread the Dharma. All his disciples only had a robe to cover themselves and alms bowl to collect food. Their main duty was to spread the Dharma and to teach the people to do good, avoid evil, and purify the mind.